That's an old prep guy.
What year? What year?
75.
My buddy got a 74.
You'll see 2 videos.
He LS'd it, turboed it, and scattered it all in by the same year.
That's what they're here for, man. It's all fun.
Infamous Nova, this is for you,
So
man.
far, he's done this one together. So far.
Okay.
Think you're good now.
Infamous Nova's just for you, man. Just for you. You insisted. So we're gonna talk to the owner of this Nova. There he is, man. So what we got here? What we got? What year?
It's a 75 Nova. Got a stock block 5.3, board 30 over. Got forged rotating assembly. Everything's balanced. Single billet 78 millimeter. VS Racing next gen turbo. Holley mid-rise running on the Holley Terminator X. Power glide with an 8.5 rear end 10 bolt, but it's got a Moser full spool, Moser 33 spline axles, all the good stuff.
Oh, good stuff.
I built it for a daily driver / have fun. Makes 1,037 on 27 pounds. And I mean, if you're not making 1,000 pounds anymore, you don't have.
That's
you don't have nothing on
the
street.
new 500.
Exactly.
That's the new 500.
But it's a fun, awesome driver. Pull the passenger seat out to come to the track. My little boy rides around with me. Goes, take him to school, pick him up from school.
Yes, sir. Well, what's your name?
My name's Roy Carter. Roy.
Roy.
Yeah.
All right. So we got with Roy. The US 60 drag strip, man, as you can see. I mean, we got it's a heck of a turnout out here. A flashlight drop. No prep race. I seen the car. And as soon as I seen the car, it's like infamous Nova. I gotta holler at him. I take a picture of him. So that's what we did. So that's where we at right now.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, man. He's gonna he like I said, I sent the message. He said interview that guy, and we'll walk around the car, man. Walk around the car. He was talking about the cow tracks, and just from a picture, man, he was, you know what I mean, looking at everything.
Split mono lead springs.
My bad, man. We back. My phone kept going. We got it. Yes, sir. And what generation you say? Fifth? Fourth gen Nova, man. I don't know my Novas. I know I had a 69. Everybody I was talking to about that, and I no longer have it. But they share the same body line, similar. Look at the setup, y'all. And then, of course, you got that whistle over there, making thousands of power. The new 500, y'all. So if you ain't making 1,000, he said it, you ain't doing nothing. For a street car now. Street car, you got to be making 1,000 for a street car.
Yeah, it's got insurance. It's got tags.
He's got the VS Racing, of course. Yes. Ford's. What internals you go with?
It's a scat rod.
Scat.
Yeah, and a DSS piston.
Gotcha. So he's throwing the boost to it, man. Lots of it too. Lots of it. So for those who think that you can't make 1,000 with a 5.3, here it is. He's done it, and still doing it with Holley.
With Chinese head studs.
With the Chinese head studs. Heck yeah, man.
Got the Amazon special.
I'll run them. I've had them. I've had good luck with them.
Yeah. Well, when ARP's out of stock, you got to do what you got to do.
You got to do what you got to do and save your little pockets a little.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I've had no issues on them whatsoever. Haven't pushed a head gasket. Nothing.
How long have you had this setup?
2.5 years.
2.5 years. Cool.
I run on the 85. I got twin Waldro 450s and in-tank. Bosch 210 injectors.
Yes, sir. And then it works.
It works, exactly.
That's it, man. This works, man. And he just gave y'all the recipe. If y'all listen to it, this is the recipe that you need to make 1,000 horsepower, man. And beyond, if you need be. I imagine he could push it a little harder and make a little more if he wanted to.
Reliability is key.
I got you.
If you want to drive and have fun with it, don't sit on the bleeding edge.
There it is. There it is. And that's what a lot of us do whenever we take the stock setup inside. Well, we're going to make 800 with it. We're sitting on the edge.
Yep.
Hey, I appreciate your time.
Yeah, man.
You too, my man. Like I said, I'll have it infamous is for you. So now make your mind up. Whether you're going to go back with a LS or the big block. I think you should go back LS.
How could you say no?
Exactly. How
no?
could you say no? up? What's happening? Good people, man. We got a subscriber dropped by the shop. What's good, man? Appreciate you dropping by, man. Dad's with him. He said that he definitely is checking out Ken 10 Customs, Swat's Performance, Ken 10 Customs, however you want to say it. And I was telling him I appreciate it. So while he's here, I said, man, how you feel about being on camera? He said, I don't know. So guess what? He's on camera. So, man, let the people know who you are, man.
My name's Jalen.
Cool. You in the cars and all that sound like, because
Yeah.
if you're watching the YouTube channel, you're definitely into the cars and stuff. So, and then you said, Dad, possibly G-Body Man, right? Yeah, G-Body Man over here. Ain't nothing wrong with that. And what's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony. That's cool, man. So we definitely got two more. We got two people coming by the shop. Check us out, see what we're doing. You know, hey, and I appreciate him. Like I said, he's telling me quoting me stuff that he sees on the videos. And once we're off camera, I'm going to ask him what I need to do different. So, you know, constructive criticism don't hurt. So, hey, guys, I appreciate y'all dropping by, man.
For sure.
And we definitely going to, do you have a YouTube or Instagram or anything? No? About you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boy Slack on Instagram.
Say, all right, go ahead and spell it out or whatever.
BOYSLAK.
There it is, man. Y'all see it. So go ahead and check him out on Instagram. And I think he's a tattoo guy, right?
Yeah.
So he's a tattoo artist too, man. So y'all might be interested in that. Y'all need some ink? Holla at him. Appreciate y'all, man.